Hello my friends, and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Bits on the Side. I was just about to do a recipe for Tony's Comfort Kitchen which involved using peanut butter, and I figured I would make my own and put it on the Tony's Bits video to show how easy it is to make homemade peanut butter. So I have here 300 grams of salted peanuts. I have a little bit of oil, just vegetable oil, and I have a jar, obviously, to put it in, and a little mixer, a little blender to blend it all up in. And that's it. I mean, you can make it sweeter if you want by putting sugar in, but I don't. I like it just natural. So, first of all, we put in spilling the peanuts. Put the lid on and blitz away. Okay, well, I've been blitzing it there for about a minute, and as you can see, it's breaking down, but it's not breaking down enough. It kind of looks similar to couscous at the moment. So we'll put the lid back on and start to grind again for another minute. Again, take a look inside. Now you can see it's starting to break down a bit. It's not as full as it was at first. You've got to be patient. You've just got to keep grinding away, and what it'll do, it'll release its oil and become more solidified. So after 3 minutes, now as you can see, it's turning into a paste. It's getting quite thick. I'll do a little bit more. So that's 3 minutes roughly of blitzing. Right, as you can see, it's quite solid, and it's starting to struggle with the mixer, the motor of the mixer is starting to struggle. Now then, we just need to put a little bit of oil in, not much, third of a tablespoon, if that, and it'll just affect how oily it is in the end. And there we have it. That's about 3.5 minutes of grinding. You can see it, quite thick. Now, as I say, you could put some sugar in that now to make it sweet, but I like it unsweetened. You could even put in various flavorings like maple syrup or honey, or even sort of cocoa powder or something like that. But I prefer to leave it just as it is. This motor is actually quite hot now. It puts a lot of strain on your mixer, so just be careful. And that's it. All that's left now is to put it into said jar, and job's done. Okay, my friends, please give this a go. You'll find that it's much better than shop-bought versions. At least that's what I think, anyway. Let me know how you get on in the comments below, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.